So what I did, my floor was a little weak looking right here. So I cut mine out. I'm gonna fix that anyway. Just made everything easier on me. This is the original frame horn, I'm gonna call it, for the shackles on the back. I cut the rivets, knocked them out. But before I did that, while it was still in here, I put a straight edge like this inside of it, and I transferred that edge down on the frame, and I punched it in. Then I knew where the original shackle hung from. The internet said go 15 inches from back here on your frame forward and draw up and let that be the center. So I bounced against the 15 inches and where the factory had, and it was exactly the same. So I think going where the factory had it is the safest thing to do, which it agrees. But if the car was ever rear-ended or something like that, maybe that frame wouldn't be in the same place. I would trust where the factory hanger is. You can actually see where I did it right here. Put a straight edge out. I drew my line and I put a center punch there and there, just so when I clean it up, I can find it again. And I'm gonna check it again. I'm gonna do my 15 inches and I'm gonna put that to the same place when I do this side.